Top 30 Indian GK MCQ Part 1. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Sardar Patel. The correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Pratibha Patel, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Vikram, Satish Dhawan, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the Missile Man of India. Which is the largest state in India by area? Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Kerala, Haryana. The correct answer is option A. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Karnataka Indian state is the largest producer of coffee. The headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is located in which city? Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. The correct answer is option A. The headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is located in Mumbai city. What is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri. The correct answer is option A. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Indian national anthem. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by which Mughal emperor? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. The correct answer is option C. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by Shah Jahan Mughal emperor. Which Indian state is known as the land of lakes? Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option B. Madhya Pradesh Indian state is known as the land of lakes. In which year did India first host the Commonwealth Games? 2002, 2010, 2014, 2006. The correct answer is option B. India first host the Commonwealth Games in the year 2010. Which mountain range separates the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau? Western Ghats, Himalayas, Eastern Ghats, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Himalayas mountain range separates the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau. Which city is famous for its marble industry and is known as the city of Taj? Jaipur, Agra, Udaipur, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Agra city is famous for its marble industry and is known as the city of Taj. What is the national animal of India? Tiger, elephant, lion, leopard. The correct answer is option A. Tiger is the national animal of India. In which year did the Indian Railways operate its first passenger train? 1848, 1853, 1862, 1875. The correct answer is option B. The Indian Railways operate its first passenger train in the year 1853. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A. Punjab state is known as the land of five rivers. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Sardar Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. In which year was the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO founded? 1965, 1972, 1980, 1969. The correct answer is option D. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO was founded in the year 1969. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, R.K. Narayan, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru is the author of the book The Discovery of India. What is the national flower of India? Rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine. The correct answer is option B. Lotus is the national flower of India. The Qutb Minar in Delhi was built by which ruler? Akbar, Humayun, Qutbuddin Aibak, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is option C. The Qutb Minar in Delhi was built by Qutbuddin Aibak ruler. Which desert is located in the northwest part of India? Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, Atacama Desert. The correct answer is option A. Thar Desert is located in the northwest part of India. The Gateway of India monument is located in which city? Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi. The correct answer is option A. The Gateway of India monument is located in Mumbai city. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai. The correct answer is option A. Kolkata Indian city is known as the City of Joy. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai. The correct answer is option C. Bangalore Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India. What is the official name of the Parliament of India? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House. The correct answer is option C. Sansad Bhavan is the official name of the Parliament of India. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters and houseboats? Kerala, Goa, Haryana, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option A. Kerala Indian state is famous for its backwaters and houseboats. What is the official language of the Indian government? Hindi, English, Bengali, Tamil. The correct answer is option B. English is the official language of the Indian government. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali, Holi, Eid, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Diwali Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights. Which Indian state is famous for its Valley of Flowers National Park? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim. The correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand Indian state is famous for the Valley of Flowers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe School of MCQ for latest GK MCQ.